In this video, I will show you how to hide formulas in Microsoft Excel. Like you have this formula. Like you have a formula here. And once you click here, so formula will be appear. So to hide the formula, click this corner. Now right click here, format cells. Now protection, unselect locked and select hidden, then click on OK. Now review and protect sheet, click on OK. Now once you click here, so formula will be not appear. So this is the way you can hide formula in Microsoft Excel. And to unlock, click here and protect sheet. Now once you click here, so formula will be appear. Thanks for watching.